seeing if I can't catch a fish I don't normally fish for. Oh, right at the boat. Oh, come on, what do we got? Oh, nice little rock bass. Huh. Wasn't expecting that. We'll take it. I know a lot of people don't eat rock bass, but I think they taste just like a crappie or a bluegill, so we're going to put this one in the box. We'll try these minnows for a while, and then if they quit biting on them, I'm going to throw a tube on here. Sometimes they like the artificials a little better than the live bait. It just seems after we get a lot of rain like we've had lately that they tend to want that more active live bait than they do a tube jig or crankbaits. Alright, I'm going to get this dead minnow off of here. There we go, right up in that stuff. Oh shoot, there he went, darn it. There it goes. There, we got him. I got him this time. I got, oh, another nice crappie. Boy, he inhaled that thing. That thing is... Look how far down in there that jig is. Pliers here. I think that was a trick, just wanted a live minnow. I'm still going to cast this one back out, see what it does. Oh, right, a boat. There we go. Ooh, look at that big rock bass. Wow, that's a big one. Right at the boat. Beautiful. Hook back up here. We can another one. Oh, there we go, right up inside that. Ooh, look at that crappie. Wow. All right. Oh, we got some pigs here today. Beauty. Whew. Oh, there we go. About time we got another one. Oh boy, he inhaled that thing. Again. Slack here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, he's really got it down in there. I need the pliers for this one. Jeez, oh Pete. There we go. Nice crappie right there. Alright, gotta reposition again. Looks like my anchor pulled free. See if we can't get him back out there and see if we can't get another one. Right up along the edge of that down tree right there. Whew. There we go. There's one. There we go. What do we got? Looks like another rock bass maybe? He's fighting like it. Definitely fighting harder than a crappie. No, it's just a nice big crappie. Wow, look at that. That was sweet little crappie. Whew. He's definitely going into the box. Alright. Get another minnow on him. Get after him. Ooh, that's a fighter. Looks like another nice crappie. Sure enough. Ooh, ripped a big hole in his mouth.